Stop wasting your Suno credits on mediocre songs. Seriously, most people use Suno completely wrong, and because of that, they're burning through credits like crazy and have nothing to show for it. Their songs will have the same generic song structures and use the same words like flying high or neon sky. Like, all of that sounds like generic AI music. But the music that I'll show you how to create is different. It sounds better. These are the 3 songs that we'll create in just a few minutes.
Macros in the morning, oceans in the night. New week, new grind, feels perfectly right. Type and slow to it.
Here's the chorus.
Savor the sea, bite, bite, bite. Fresh flavors dancing every night.
These are 3 completely different songs that we chose randomly, and we created them on the first try. I promise that by the end of this video, I'll show you the exact framework that I use in order to create hit songs, and I will give you access to my custom GPT for free that you can use in order to create songs, in order to create perfect lyrics and perfect prompts for Suno. We will first ask the GPT to do research on my YouTube channel and then create a song about it. Then we'll make some lo-fi study music that we can upload on YouTube. And lastly, we'll create a song for a Japanese restaurant that we can go and sell to them. I know your time is valuable, so let's get right to it. Head over to Suno AI. There's also a link in the description you can click, and you can sign in with your Google account for free. Suno gives you a free plan where you get 50 credits per day, which is 10 songs, and they renew daily. And I'm actually on the Pro plan, which is $8 a month, and that allows me to create up to 500 songs per month. But you don't need this paid plan. By the way, I'm not affiliated with them and I'm not sponsored. I just like using their platform. All right, let's create some songs. Of course, you can get inspired on the homepage, but we are here to create some music on our own. So the easiest way to create songs is with the simple mode by just typing in, but this is where you're gonna burn your credits, because it gives you the ability to write the lyrics exactly as you would like them to be, as well as you can structure your own style and make sure that it is perfect from the get-go. But how do we write the lyrics and how do we come up with the right styles? This is where I built a custom GPT and it writes the lyrics for you in the perfect structured way. Check out the link in the description to get access to this for free, and here you can now type in the same thing. But let's be a little bit more structured about this. Instead of just saying make a song about Mo making a YouTube video, let's have GPT do a little bit of research first. I'm asking it, research what YouTube videos Mediocre made. It now was able to find my channel, and you can see here that I create AI tools and automation systems, productivity and workflow optimization, and content repurposing and monetization. That's exactly what I do. Perfect. It was able to summarize that really well. I'm curious, what kind of genre would work well to make a song about this? It tells me that futuristic, electropop, tech-inspired male voice. Let's go with that. I'm asking it to create a hyper-personalized song from the perspective of Mediocre in that genre. It should have the potential to go viral on TikTok and top 40 and sound unique. My GPT has a specific knowledge base which is able to structure the songs in the exact format that Suno likes it to be in order to create better songs. So that's why you can see it has the tags of the start, intro, what kind of intro, and then it has lyrics that don't have the words, for example, neon lights or shine bright. All of that is not included in these. And because of that, it doesn't sound as generic as most other AI songs. And that's exactly why we're not going to burn any credits here, because I can guarantee you that the first generation of this song is going to be a banger. Don't believe me? Let's check it out. The Suno prompt is exactly this. We'll take this, go over to Suno, and now we would type this into the style. And we'll call it Mo YouTube Song V1. We pasted the styles right here, and now let's go to the lyrics and paste them in just as they are written here. I'm not even editing a single thing, and I'm trusting the GPT that it's gonna do everything perfectly. Let's paste it in here, and then let's name it Mo YouTube Song V1. Let's hit create and see what we come up with. There we go, Mo YouTube Song V1. All right, the intro is already fire. Let's go.
Laser lights on my desk, midnight in my flow zone. Tapping keys like a heartbeat, I'm deep in my own tone.
All right, it already has the flow, it has the rhymes. Let's see how the first verse is.
Auto tag my inbox, cleared it in a flash. 15 minutes flat, gone like cache. GPT's got memory, makes my moves tight. Wrote a whole blog post by lunch, light flight. Macros in the morning, oceans in the night. Got my second brain working out of sight. I'm living a song, no need to reply. Every task delegated, I'm just flying by. Inbox zero, baby, I'm the workflow king.
All right, you can't tell me that that wasn't fire. It was a bit cheesy, but you know what? I'm not ashamed of it. The second one should be a bit different.
Laser lights on my desk, midnight in my flow zone. Tapping keys like a heartbeat, I'm deep in my own tone. Auto tag my inbox, cleared it in a flash.
That is just as catchy. Let's listen to the chorus.
58, I'm just flying by. Inbox zero, baby, I'm the workflow king. Automation nation, hear my system sing. Zap it, tag it, route it, feel the dopamine. Making content from...
All right, guys, straight fire, but I promised you 2 more genres and I don't want to bore you. So let's go to the next genre. And if you want to listen to the full song, let me know in the comments and I might drop them for everyone to download for free so you can listen to the full version. So for the second song, let's go over to my guide on how to make money with AI. And the first strategy we have here is to have content creation with AI. And I know for a fact that a lot of my friends are listening to lo-fi YouTube channels just while they're studying. So let's create a song in the lo-fi genre. By the way, a link to this guide is in the description, so check that out. In order to create this lo-fi song, we'll go back to our ChatGPT. Let's create a lo-fi song about why Monday is the best day ever. Create a lo-fi song about why Monday is the best day ever. This is a song that should motivate people to work hard and be relaxing and help them focus. Let's get that going. And let's set this one up here. Monday equals best day. Let's copy everything just as it is. Chill, lo-fi hip-hop, perfect. Bring that in here, and let's do the same with the lyrics. And let's create that. Let's take another page out of the playbook of how to make money with AI-generated music of the guide that I have here, and let's make a song for custom business. So let's go over here, check for local business around me. Let's go with this one. Let's look at the website, boom, and copy that in here. Let's create a new track here. So all we have to put in here, the link to the website and say, research what this business does, and then create a song about the business. It is now searching the web and doing all of the research for me. It's gonna recommend a genre that fits this kind of business, and then it's gonna generate the lyrics that has all of the information about the specific type of company that it is. In this case, this is a sushi shop on Oceana Boulevard, and it rhymes everything with about the temaki rolls, and it even pulls reviews from GitHub and figures out what is the best thing that we can mention about this business. We go over here, let's name this something new, call it Sushi Business V1. The style is this. While I was trying to copy it, it took into account the sources, which is great for us to do research if we do this more seriously. But in this case, we want it without the sources, so let's reprompt it. Here we go. Let's paste that in here. Let's recreate the song. And while this is generating, let's listen to Monday equals best day. All right, typical lo-fi, very chill.
New week, new grind, feels perfectly right.
This would definitely help me focus. If you want to listen to the full songs, let me know and I'll post them and you can download them for free. And if you want to see other videos on how to make money with AI or be more productive, then subscribe, because I got a bunch of videos in the pipeline right now that are super exciting and I think they're going to provide so much value. So subscribe and stay tuned. All right, without further ado, let's listen to the last one about our favorite sushi business. All right, it's, you think Japanese pop or J-pop, city pop, Maryland K-pop.
Rolling down to ocean up aboard, craving flavors that hit me hard. Ocean fish, sushi, my favorite spot. Every bite's a taste of what they've got. Temaki rolls and sashimi delight. Dinner here just feels so right.
Here's the chorus.
Savor the sea, bite, bite, bite. Fresh flavors dancing every night.
That is hilarious. I love that. And the second one is probably equally as good.
From sushi rolls to miso soup, ocean fish has the perfect scoop.
That is actually a really good jingle. If we wanted to sell it to them, just like I've described here in my guide, then they can simply take this now and use it as a jingle. Or you can iterate on it, make the song better, and later on give them a package and some songs to choose from, and see if they want to use that in their advertising campaign on their website, or just play it in their stores. All right, you've probably already clicked away. If you haven't, a reminder to subscribe. All of the resources that we've used are in the description. And if you want to learn how to use Suno from scratch, then you should watch this video next. Peace out.